Multiple studies have found that people who score higher on empathy tests are more likely to catch yawns from others. It's as if your ability to understand and connect with other people's emotions also makes you more susceptible to their yawns. Now, the evidence for this is pretty compelling. People with autism spectrum disorders who often have differences in social communication show reduced rates of contagious yawning. The same is true for people with schizophrenia and those who score high on psychopathic traits, conditions associated with difficulties in empathy and social bonding. When researchers tested this, they found that individuals with higher psychopathy scores were significantly less likely to yawn in response to videos of other people yawning.